welcome back to our second session. And for the second session, everyone, we are going to continue our lesson in Jungle Phonics 3 workbook. So let's continue our lesson now. This is our part 4. Let's look and write. So teacher wrote down already into the whiteboard. Here. Look and write. Look at the picture and write the correct word inside the box. So what picture is this, everyone? This one is tune. Spell tune. So you see in here number 1, right? So let's spell the word tune. T-U-N-E. Tune. Okay? Next, number 2. This one is in our classroom. This one is rule. So you see in here number 2, rule. So let's write down the word rule. So spell rule. R-U. Have you already? Next is L and letter E. Rule. Next, for our number 3. This picture is June. Spell June, everyone. So you have to write capital J. Next is small u and letter N. And then the last letter is E. That we have already. So this is our answer for part 4. Okay? Now if you answer the same like teacher, then you're correct. Then you can also correct your answer by yourself. So this is our part 4. Now, proceed to our next activity in page 36. This one, page 36. This is our part 5, match and write. In here, teacher wrote down already our part 5, match and write. So you are going to match the sound to the picture and write down the correct answer or complete the word. So for the number 1, we have sound un. Correct. Sound un is for mule or for June. Correct. For June. So match un sound to the June picture. And June is start letter D. Correct. The. Then match it to the letter D and then complete this word by writing U-N-E or un sound next to letter D. Write U-N-E. So we have June word in here already. Now next, number 2. Number 2 is sound ul. Correct. Sound ul is for mule. Mule is start letter M. Correct. And complete this word. Write the ul sound in here. U-L-E. So we have mule word in here already. Alright, everyone? Good job. Love for yourself. So that is our part 5. Next is our part 6. The same page. Page 36. Say and write. So we are going to say this picture, then we need to write down or complete the word. So in here, everyone, look at the whiteboard. Say and write. This is our part 6. So number 1, what picture is this? So repeat after teacher. June. June. So let's complete the word. J. And then what sound? Un. Correct. Un. U-N-E. June. Okay? Next, number 2 is tune. Tune. T, t. And then what sound? Un. Good job. T, U, N, E. Tune. Okay, next, number 3. What picture is this? Dune. D. D. And then what sound? Un. U, N, E. So we have D, U, N, E. Dune. Next, number 4. What picture is this? Rule. Rule. R, R. And then sound is ul. So you are going to complete this one. U-L-E. Rule. Next, for our number 5. What picture is this? Mule. Mule. M. And ul sound. U-L-E. Mule. So that is our part 6 on page 36. Good job, everyone. Clap for yourself. Now, let's proceed to our last page on page 37. In here, it's like a game. You need to follow the broken line until finish line and circle the correct word that is given in here. So what picture is this? We need to circle the correct picture, or we need to circle the correct word. Alright. Then sort the words. Meaning, you need to write down after you circle and trace and follow and circle. Down here, we need to sort out all the words for each sound. So for each sound, we have how many words, right? Then you need to write down your answer in here. So first, you need to take out your pencil and follow after teacher. So I think you have your answer already, right? Okay, so let's start. Here, start. What picture is this? Mule. So mule is this one. Circle the word mule. Correct. Then follow again. So what picture is this? Dune. Dune is here. Circle again. Then follow this line again. Then go to this picture. What picture is this? Rule. So what word? Is it rule or mule? Here, rule. We need to circle the rule. Then follow again the line until finish line. Almost here. Tune. So tune. June or tune? Of course, we need to circle the tune. And there you are. We finished already. Now that we circled those words already, sort out, okay? We have to write the correct word for each sound. So sound, un. Write down dun in here. Next is tune here, okay? Next, another one is sound ul. We have mule. Write the word mule. And rule. Write the word mule. So that is our correct final practice for today. Clap for yourself. Now that you finished already, don't forget to finish your classwork and also your homework and send back your answers to teacher's personal telegram. So that is the end of our lesson for today. We study Unit 7, sound un and sound ul. Don't forget about this lesson. See you again tomorrow, everyone. Goodbye!